Hi, I am Subramani here. I like to want to project to focus about elevation, the building elevations, how it looks, and what all we need to do it. See, I have done it this way. Cladding tiles for 4 floors, total 5 floors. In that 3 floors I use it as a cladding tile, outside cladding tile. Apart from that, again texture work, have done it all the white areas, whichever the walls you're seeing apart from the cladding, this all are texture works. Texture works, and since you may have seen that designs which is do it in the cement, white cement and textures, that is all the designs you get it, whatever the designs are there, that designs you can do it as per the your elevation. All the design will not suit for every building, depends on the building designs will change. So you can use it as a this elevation in the different part. Wanted to contact for that services, structural services, painting services, cladding, everything, elevations. Even if you are completed a building also, you can tell us. We will change and give you as per the your designs of the building, present building. We can change your new building. Even the renovations also is possible. If you're liking up any kind of a cladding, you should refresh your building and replace something material point of view. Anything can be add up, SS railings or MS railings or cladding, painting, designing changes, gate design changes, everything we do along with that. So we will give you new look of building if you're contacting us. If you are really having that kind of mindset, so we will definitely help you regarding that. Since it is a new building, this looking like this, in the same looks we can also give you in your old building, which is 20 years, 30 years building of old. We can also give you is a new fresh looks as for the new look. Contacted us. I am Subramani. Below numbers will be given and descriptions. You can read more descriptions I give you, and even I'll attach you the designs also, structure designs, all that. You can have a look. Thank you. What is that advantage and disadvantage textures work on the building, which is appear you as beautiful looking in the between the tiles, cladding tiles and texture works, kind of bubbles or brick designs. You can use it for structures. Lot of designs are there, flowers, but depends on the building elevations. You have to plan for it. You cannot use it for all the this thing for the same one. You need to change it. How your buildings looks, based on that is the texture designs need to be selected. Then only it will comes looking beautiful. This will happen in the machines works. It will cost you about around 12 to 15 rupees in the present market price. Till 20 rupees also it will go. Depends on your selecting of design. Even this can be useful for cracks, avoids we can do it based on that. Cracks, fillings, all that, it will be used and that's stronger for the permanent solution for this. Even we can take care of the work. If you any of our clients need it, please contact us the below descriptions. Also we'll attach many designs also along with this. Thank you so much. We are from Civil Contractors in Bangalore. I am Subramani. Thank you.